Hey guys, how's it going? So Roar Sports, the partnership between Aurora UFC, coming fast, coming soon, coming strong. Kind of put that out of context, out of order, but whatever. It's coming soon, and because of the acquisition of Rivia, I think, we could see a piece of news for Roar Sports in the near future, and that could be a catalyst of 20 or 30% in one day. Don't know. We'll see what happens. But Aurora has a lot of news in the pipeline. New CEO, Aurora Sports that's coming soon, good earnings report, and maybe some other unknown factors that could push the stock price to brand new all-time highs, or back to his 52-week high, which would be freaking awesome if that was the scenario, because then all the people who begged hold can finally say, yes, I am no longer losing money. I believed in my company and it paid off. Yay! But, that's the best case scenario. Anyways, so according to this article that on New Cannabis Ventures, so position Riva at the forefront of the growing sports category, supporting Aurora's USC partnership. So Riva is going to be making products for the Aurora UFC partnership. Marketing assets afforded to Aurora through the UFC partnership may eventually support awareness for Aurora Rivia CBD products. Lots of synergies between Rivia and UFC. Just saying. Folium Biosciences, I think, was originally supposed to be supplying the products for UFC and Aurora. But that deal kind of broke apart with Australia's capital. Australia's looked into the company, and they found things that were not right, and they found things that were wrong, so they decided to cancel it. I think Australia's capital also helped Aurora with this partnership, because Australia is going around the United States hunting for good companies for Aurora to acquire, because right now, Aurora's focus needs to be on the U.S. market, not the international market, because they've already established their footprint in the international market and the Canadian market. Right now, the biggest focus should be the U.S. market, in my opinion. So today, Aurora traded pretty good, but after hours, it's sinking 59 cents or 21 cents. I don't know what tomorrow is gonna bring, but I know. There was a video that I watched today. Right here, Aurora shares jump. According, Michael Singer is coming onto the program tomorrow to talk more about the acquisition with Rivia. So that could be a positive catalyst for Aurora stock. I don't know, but Aurora is going to be extremely volatile. It's going to go up 20% one day. It's going to go 20% down the other day. It's going to be very, very volatile, and you better, traders, for a trader, that's like the wet dream. Volatility is the best way for traders to make money. So there's going to be a lot of eyeballs, a lot of attention on Aurora stock for a while, because there's a lot of traders out there in this world, and they are going to capitalize on the Aurora stock movement because they want to make money. And that's going to cause huge volatility in Aurora stock, huge volume. So yeah. Anyways, Aurora back to number 6 makes me happy. I'm hoping Aurora goes back to the number 1 and beat out Ford. I'm hoping. I don't know if that'll happen, but I do hope that is going to be the scenario in the future. Nvidia just had earnings, and the stock is the market doesn't know what to do after hours, so it's just kind of sitting there. The earnings one wasn't bad. It was pretty. It was good. It was up 39% year over year. Good income, good net income. Just a good quarter overall, but the market doesn't know what to do, and it's kind of just stalling. Like, maybe they're waiting for an earnings report, but I think that tomorrow is probably going to sell off. Could be wrong, or either that or it's just going to trade sideways all day tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Intel, after hours, Intel is neutral. AMD is down 19 cents. If Nvidia goes down big, I think AMD and Intel will get affected because they're both semiconductors. Today, the market was red, oil was green, gold is red, which is kind of surprising, you know, because usually gold is green when the market is red, but people are just trading it and taking profits. Afria after hours down 2 cents, not too much to say about that. Tilray, holy crap, Tilray 19.88%. Do you really think a bunch of retail investors push Tilray stock up $1.60, 19.88%? I don't think so, because if we look on the Robinhood app, Tilray's not even on the list. They're not on the list at all, like anywhere on here. I could be wrong, but I briefly, VTIQ is even on the list with 76,992 Robinhood investors. So, you know, I'm just saying, like, they're not even on the list. So obviously Tilray, there is no retail investors in Tilray. Tilray is basically being traded by rich people, by the wealthy investors right now, and Tilray could explode too. Like I said, Tilray, you're gambling that rich people are going to push the stock price up, and exactly what they did. So as long as Aurora keeps going up, I think Tilray will keep going up with the market. And the same thing with Afria. If Aurora and Tilray and Canopy goes up, Afria will go up with the market. Afria might not get the same boost as the rest of the market, but they are going to go up with the market. That's my opinion. Nordic American Tankers is trading sideways. Liberal Health Science today is trading up half a penny. Scorpio Tankers today is just trading sideways, and TK Tankers was up today 4.74%. Beyond Meat down after hours 56 cents. Tesla was up today 1.48%. Not too much to say about that, but Tesla moving $1 is a lot of money. Every dollar they move is a lot of money. It's just insane to think about it, right? $183 million. Every single dollar the stock moves. There are millions and millions of shares traded every day on Tesla. You know, I guess bots are moving the money back and forth to keep liquidity. So if people were to buy, it's easy for them. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I already talked about Nordic. American Airlines after hours is down a penny. Not too much to say about that. Kira today didn't get a huge benefit like Aurora. Cresco, same thing, was down today when the rest of the market was up. True Eve was just trading sideways. Bitcoin right now is getting a little bit of a boost. I was told about this. It's like a Bitcoin thing. It tracks Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, this thing goes up, but I don't trust it because it probably doesn't trade 1-to-1 ratio. That's just my opinion. 13, maybe, I don't know. It's up to you if you want to buy this and gamble on Bitcoin. Yeah, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you... Ooh, okay, only 9-minute video. I gotta make it a 10-minute video. Just look at some of the conversations with Aurora. See what the bears have to say. When the first penny of profit going to be seen from this $2 billion valued pre-venture capital startup? Show me the money. Yeah, there's still some bears. There's bears and bulls all over the place for Aurora. You know, that's what keeps it volatile, because there's like the bear side and the bull side, and people shorting it and people buying it, and you know, also rich investors pumping it. At least I think so. I don't know for sure. I mean, to me, it doesn't make any logic for it to move, like trade 66 million shares in one day if there is no huge amount, there's like super rich people pushing the stock up. You know, it's just, to me, there's no logic behind it. Retail investors cannot move $66 million of 66 million shares a day. If it was, Afria would be skyrocketing right now. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.